Xinxiang Sunrise, the navigator of China's CNC bearing equipment. In Xinxiang City, which has the reputation of pearl in the north of Henan, a wonderful flower of modern industry, Xinxiang Sunrise CNC Bearing Equipment Company Limited is blooming proudly. Over the years, Xinxiang Sunrise has made a continuous and active exploration in the field of bearing equipment, gradually becoming the main force and a pilot of the Chinese bearing equipment industry, and made outstanding contributions to the development of the bearing equipment industry in China. The achievement of every honor is closely related to the efforts of every Sunrise person. The humanized enterprise management, the innovative technology research and development, the advanced manufacturing technology, the strict and rigorous product inspection, which give an inexhaustible power source to the enterprise to gain the lasting vitality. Facing the future, Xinxiang Sunrise has formed by the Steel Ball Equipment Department, Special Machine Department, and a Bearing Equipment Department. It has entered the glorious journey of the process of the enterprise modernization. Steel Ball Equipment Department. MY 7660 horizontal duplex grinding machine. MM1060 centerless grinding machine. MM 6030 taper roller centerless grinding machine. Special Machine Department. MKG 9580 CNC vertical composite grinding machine. Bearing Equipment Department. 3MK3460 CNC vertical raceway super finish machine. MKW 7675B CNC double-side grinding machine. xinxiang sunrise.